So back at DirtSide in Grofton for a non-mud race. Pretty excited. The track looks absolutely perfect. This place is on a floodplain, so it's actually going to get kind of muddy or dusty. But as of right now, it's perfect. So we'll see how it goes. Today's an actual sanctioned event race, so it should be interesting. I have to do another gate start. That's gonna be fun. But I'll take you along for the ride. This is the goal for the day, is this double. This one's a lot bigger than the one I do over there, but it's not a big, don't leave it on camera. So it's probably, what, 20 feet, 25 feet? So shouldn't be too bad. Riders meeting. Woohoo. Trying out GoPro down here instead of up here. We'll see how it works out. It's we got 2 laps of practice and then the 450 A and B, some other class, and then ours. So it'll be a little bit before our race. Should be fun though. I got told I have to tape up my lights. So all I have is electrical tape, so we'll make do with what we got.
It have to be fully covered, or?
Yeah, I'll just go down the whole thing.
I was hoping you'd do like a star pattern.
It'll look like a race bike when I'm done. I gotta do the rear too. What if I want to brake light? I don't want to get rear-ended. It's nice when we do the hair scramble.
Yeah.
It's so nice when people do have their brake lights, because you can tell when they're doing something stupid. That's good to go. had a piece of dirt the beginning of the second lap. I watched it whoop, right in my freaking eye. That was awesome. Woo! God, the track's fun. I did it. I did the double once. I actually overshot it a little bit. So, what?
Like somebody hurt her.
Oh no. Race 1's done. Now just waiting for race 2. I knocked 40 some odd seconds off of my lap time from the last time I was here. So that's exciting. I'll have to see how I do in the second one now that I got a little bit more of a feel for it. I'm gonna try to go sub 2-minute lap times. Maybe. Hopefully.
I think you should have sent it on all the jumps.
Just send it.
That'll make it faster.
Yeah. So
Do you
we'll
clear
see.
all the jumps?
It'll be a while. It's we're almost to intermission, then 450 AB, minis, and then us again. So see you then. Gearing up for a second moto. We'll see how this goes.
That'll be fun.
It's been a few hours, so we'll see. That's a wrap so far for the racing. I'm done. I'm whooped. I haven't checked the times yet to see if I get sub 2-minute laps. we'll see. We're sticking out for trophies and whatnot. We'll see how we did. Until then, made it home, time to unload. Today was a good day. Pretty happy with myself. All my lap times were 201.6, 201.6, and 201.9. So pretty consistent. The first lap's less because of the start, obviously, but pretty pumped. A little bit arm pump, wasn't crazy. So next time.